Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So, what's our new target? I explain this is the crypto market expert make this chart, and I explain you this chart to what's going on next and what's our target. Cardano is moving up in upcoming time, exactly or going down. So, everything is in this video. Please keep watch and don't skip any second of this video because this is just 2 minute video and this is very important for you. My brother, I request you to please subscribe our YouTube channel before I get started. Please subscribe, click the red button for latest news and updates like this. Keep touch with us. I guiding you free, absolutely I guiding you through, my friend. Please like this video and subscribe this channel. My friends, this is another last 24-hour chart. You can see here, oh my goodness, this time you can see here on the all time, you can see here they're going up very badly. They fell down sometime, but sometime you can see here this time the fails. If you can see here, first of all, the fails this time you can see here the two times take very bad fails in last 24 hour. But if you can see here the three jumps, exactly these three jumps, this is the circulation. If you can see here, and the graph is the two line, this is the circulation, exactly this is the circulation you can see here. And I hope they can easily hit it our target which we tag. Absolutely, this time you can see here this is circulation going up, going down, and going up and going down. If they go and this circulation, exactly they can cross our target. As my friends, our target is here, yes, absolutely. This time you can see here target based on existing a triangle, 2.26 US dollar. My friends, this is our high target. But you can see here this point, if they come here this point, after you can see here if they go and this circulation, exactly you can see here at this point they can easily hit it, 2.26 US dollar. So my friend, if they're moving in this circulation, then I hope they can hit it. Okay, my friends, what we need, we need as a sustainable break here, my friend, 1.55 US dollar. You can see here this point, absolutely this point you can see here, we exactly you can see here 1.60 something, my friends. So I hope they're going up in upcoming days. My prediction as that today going up in upcoming days. If they go in this circulation, exactly the price is increased now, and our target is not a very high, exactly 2.26 US dollar. I hope they can cross it, they can hit it. What you say, can they can hit it? I hope they can hit it, my friends. Please keep touch with us. Subscribe our YouTube channel. I update you every time. Absolutely, I updating you every time, my friends. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.